Happy Thursday, my friends, and welcome back to another non-phone work from home job lead. I wanted to share this job lead because it is a little bit different. I'm always looking for something different to share, so we're not always dealing with the same job leads of either data entry, customer service, or healthcare, and this one is different. It is from the company Jellyvision. They are hiring a seasonal benefits communication support staff. So this is seasonal. They are hiring right now in August and they expect the job to go through November, I believe it said. But at least this would give you something to get into and be making money while you're on your job search and putting in applications trying to find your permanent dream job. Jellyvision is a company who handles interactive employee communications platform that other bigger companies use, and it makes employee benefits easier and more enjoyable to understand and use. So their custom solutions team delivers customer-tailored communication campaigns, which are emails and text messages, to their users. So they are looking for someone who is willing to learn and use a fundamental level of knowledge of their tools, products, and processes in writing, editing, and launching custom communication campaigns for their customers. You'll proactively work on shared boards and channels, communicate your progress with the team, and complete the work accurately. So you'll update written content to be error-free, focus on accuracy and end user experience, and you'll help track the progress of internal document campaigns. So you will effectively be writing, editing, proofreading, all kinds of communications before they go out live to the users. So they want someone who has experience in writing, proofreading, or quality assurance, someone who has strong attention to detail and can spot errors in spelling, grammar, punctuation, someone who is great at problem solving, someone who is patient with completing routine tasks because you'll be doing the same thing over and over. It may get a little mundane and boring. Someone who is a great communicator and has the ability to provide excellent customer service. Now, unfortunately, they do not list the pay for this position. That would have to be asked at the time of the interview. They are hiring in the United States in a lot of states, but some states are left out. Down here under about remote hiring, they list all the states that they are currently hiring from. And it does say this is a 40-hour-a-week, Monday through Friday job from mid-August through mid-November. That the start and end dates could vary. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.